Hello everybody, my name is JF and this is Intro to Blacksmithing Part 6. Of course, obviously there's 5 other videos if you are interested in those. If you are interested in trying to make a leaf like this, if you've been following along, I highly encourage you to do it. Feel free to reach out, comment below, ask questions, anything like that. I know there's only a couple of you that have been staying consistent with watching this, but if you are actually interested, definitely just let me know. You can also contact me in plenty other places. Look in the link in bio. Otherwise, you can really see the leaves take shape here in part 6. And then, yeah, I'm just going to let you watch it. Let the video kind of speak for itself. If you're interested in seeing any of my other content, because I do make other content, mainly shorts right now, but there will be other videos coming. Just check, again, link in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your videos.
Go ahead, use that one. Put this on that left hand. Because that's the one you're going to be holding it. That's the one that's going to be right next to the metal. I don't want you to burn yourself. But hey, for you to cry on camera. Just kidding. Do it for the views. Just kidding. Don't. Hold it. Like. Don't want to do that. I have no idea how you did this with the 2 hands. So I'll show you here. So you'll just have to reheat it because this heat's a bust. So, there it is. I now understand. Yours is pretty good. Chicken. GoPro start. Oh wait, it is recording. Look at me, I know what I'm doing. Don't let anyone lie to you. I don't know what I'm doing. You're doing something, you'll figure it out eventually. I mean, someone's gonna figure it out. I mean, they would. Don't be watching me for advice. I ain't got none. See, this guy, he doesn't have nobody else right now. So if he did, he would be there. Because he knows. Type of leaf, because all leaves look different. Don't care what you say. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. I gotta stand up on my tippy toes pretty much. So hit it once and reline again?
Yeah, hit it hard. Once.
Harder, okay.
Because it's going to jump out after you hit it once. So if you keep trying to hit it over and over again, you're just going to get random marks that you don't want.
See, so if you want to, you can do it all the way up to the tip, so it all has the same. You don't have to.
Yeah.
You can do whatever you want at this point. But yeah, you see how you were kind of smushing it that way? That is a technique. You could use that to thin it out, but this is going to work better and give you more of that leaf mark if you were to just hit it on the side here. So it just depends on what look you're going for. For that long ways, it might not widen it out in the way that you want it to. So
Burn myself a little bit.
yeah, by the way, it gets hot, especially if you touch it.
Oh, I know.
Touch it. Rule number one, don't touch the hot Play-Doh.
At this point, it's just a friendly reminder.
That's why the glove is there, because that would have been a lot worse otherwise. Of course, you would have pulled your hand away. That's also why we don't. That's why we don't wear gloves generally. But there's times where putting it right there, you burn the skin off, but you just be able to do it with that. It's just gotta be quick. Still recording? This shaping right here, while it's cold, I don't want to overdo it. See how I'm getting kind of curved back?
Yeah.
That's what I'm kind of going for. So now that it's art, you can do whatever you want. The technique kind of goes out the window.
It's more of a creative process.
It's a creative process, exactly. I mean, I just beat it with the thing, and it kind of got it to more where I wanted it to be. So, yeah, I'm going to heat it up, and then I'm going to try to get it to bend that way.
I need more practice with the chisel.
You just got to make sure your whole thing is not to hold it against it, really. You're just holding it gently on top. So when you have this on,
Force comes from the hammer.
yeah. I mean, if I could do it on this, I would, but anyway, so you're just holding it in place. This is what you're doing.
Yeah.
You are just doing this, so you can hold it like this and all you want to do is good solid tap. And then, because as soon as you hit that, I mean, metal to show you one, whatever. As soon as you hit it, you felt it, it bounces aside. It bounces wherever you want. The angle on it does sometimes, if you get it right, you can hit it and get it in a straight enough line, but I did it on mine where I was hitting here and I ended up hitting this way, so that kind of forced that curve that you see in there. You know, it's a leaf, do what you want with it, but these are techniques, these are all making a leaf. Oh, do you need this? Okay, put it back in there. All right, there you go. Oh, you're good.
No, you're fine.
Making a leaf teaches you basically most of the techniques you're going to be using when hand forging anything.
So let's see. Have it right here, put it in place, and one good tip.
Getting it, you hit it on different sides depending on which corner you really want to dig in.
Then you can do something like this. Yeah, that's a bit better.
leaf shape. So now if you're just going for one of these leaves that you already looked at today, you literally could just take this and hit it at those angles on the side.
Once you create the indents with
Yeah, you've already got it. Well, you don't even have to do that if you don't want to. Because mine, I had to because of how thin it was. I needed a more precise, aggressive look. But you don't have to. Yours is thicker, so you'll be able to hit it on the corner with this without worrying about hitting the freaking anvil before you hit the thing. The chisel I needed because it was thinner. This is so thick that I was hitting the anvil with the hammer before I was hitting the piece. GoPro, stop recording. Let's see, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. That's what I'm gonna do. Widen out that spot. Not that spot, I missed. This is very perfectly straight. Mine's a dead leaf though. This is a live leaf. That's a dead leaf. You see, it curves, it does weird things because it's drying out. So that's what it is. GoPro, stop recording. So GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. I'm already liking how this is turning out though. Look at this. That looks like a keychain idea, maybe. Yeah, we can make it as a keychain, no problem. Got it where I want it to be. I might just pull out that